Alright, today I'm going to weld the trailer hitch on that lawnmower I've been working on. But I just wanted to show you the blued knife. I just put the handles on it, got them epoxied, pinned and epoxied. And that's walnut with black liners. Okay, so let's go to my shop and we'll start welding. Well, this is my first time welding with this. It just took a couple of seconds to get the heat and the speed right. I got the mixture right. So, not bad for a first weld in a couple of, probably better than 4 years, I would imagine. 3, 4 years, something like that. Now, I have got the other side welded, but what I got to do is go take this ball over to my other shop and put it on a bandsaw and cut this stud off because I'm going to weld it flush on top of that angle iron there. So let me go do that. There we go. I'm going to put this on my sander and sand it smooth and go back out there and weld it on. All right, here is where this is going. So I've got to grind this smooth, and I'm going to weld this on, and then I'm going to kind of come around here, cut it, and make it look a little nicer. All right, let me get my grinder out. All right, got it cleaned up. And right there is where she's gonna go. All right, now keep in mind, well, I'm not gonna make excuses. I never was a terribly fantastic welder, but in my defense, this is my first time welding with this welder, and I haven't welded MIG in probably 45 years, 42, 43 years. I've used shielded wire, which is a whole different ball game as far as the kind of welds you get. But I'll tell you what, I'm really impressed with this welder. It's capable of laying down some beads way nicer than what I'm gonna be able to do. This is gonna work just fine. But you know, I'm not a welder. Okay. Let me let this cool. I'm gonna dunk it, and then I'm gonna come around here and shape this up some, clean it up, and then weld it onto the lawnmower. All right. I'm gonna take a minute. I'm gonna call a friend of mine. Y'all know him. I'm gonna call Ricky, say hi. And then when I come back, I'm gonna be welding on the tractor. This is going on the tractor. First, I gotta take my grinder and grind some paint off the back of that tractor so the weld will stick really good. All right, we'll be right back. Okay. Well, this project's done. Let's see, how close do I want to get to those welds? Can you see why I skipped a little bit? You can see why. But we're not pulling no big trucks. Okay, on to the next project. I think my next project is going to be, I'm going to take my pressure washer and pressure wash that garage out, the floor, because it is nasty. And my next project, I mean, in between working on knives, is the bumper on my hillbilly Cadillac here. Yeah, I got all the parts. I got the cap. I got this side. I've got the paint. There's nothing to keep me from doing it now, so no more excuses. But I am gonna clean that garage out first because I want to be laying on my back and rolling around on the floor. Okay, I'm gonna go put my stuff up in my shop and go back to knife making.